Just arrived at Beck Beach Bench. On the coastline between Humberston and Cleethorpes. Unusual place, somewhere you can sit and watch the sea when it's in. It's out at the moment and high tide's not well. 2:45 this afternoon. You can see the water line there where the sea comes up to. It's a very unusual place, this. People bring stuff with them. I've put a few shells in. It does ask you to bring the driftwood as you find it. Keep building it up, well, so whoever does it can. There's plenty of wood being piled up here. Even got a dartboard. To the right of the boat it says, when you visit the shack, please bring wood. When you leave the shack, please take rubbish. A lantern. It's got a candle in. Must be a nice place to just sit at night. Sound of the sea. Plenty of plaques put on for loved ones and people visiting. Gillan, Paul and Max, 2025. Simon and Lucy, September 25. View out to sea. Grimsby Town Football Club. There you go. Beck Beach Bench. All the bees. Green flag up there, tangled up a bit, but come undone one day. The Union Jacks basically disappeared, pulled to pieces, ragged with the wind and the sea. And there it is.